Hello guys, welcome back. So today I will be showing you how to get plus apps. Very easy. Actually, I got some comments that my previous video, most of your iPhones like it doesn't support, or maybe it's not working fine. So I will just tell you, try to listen carefully and follow the steps. Follow the steps and there should be no issue in this video, because I got you a new trick. So what you gonna do is, first you have to go to Wi-Fi, you have to go to the icon, then you have to go back to Proxy. It will be off, so you just make it automatic, and you need to write the same website. Wait, let me write it again, so easy for you. I'll put the link in description. This URL you just copy paste, so it's http apple.com. Once you're done with this, just click on save. Once you save, so should be like this. Okay, now you go back to setting and go to Safari and clear history. Once you're done with this, just close all, and I want you to go to this website, thewajahatkhan.wordpress.com. Once you go here, I'll put the link in description. You just need to go to the following: Twitter++. Okay, it will redirect you to this website. You just need to press on install now. After you're done with this, remove. Okay, there will be many. What in the previous video I have click on Vision, it doesn't work, so this time you're gonna click on Mark. Once you click on Mark, you just say install, and then it should work. It should give you the tutu. As you see, it doesn't write, so you have to wait a bit. If not, what you do is, there are like so many downloads, right? You just click on one of them must download. It should download. As you can see, they will ask me for the trust thing. You just go to general, you go to under the VPN, you will get it. You just go and trust. Once you trust, you just go back, you just click, it's gonna open, right? So yeah, it's like that. And then you just go to sections, tweak apps, just go to Twitter++, install. You can just get Spotify also if you want. Free Spotify. You have SoundCloud, you have Pandora, and you can also get Instagram++ also. So yeah, and as you can see, it's downloading, and you no need to verify again. That's the good thing, because it's officially trusted. And then as you can see, Spotify, it's working. Just continue. Thank you. See, it's working. Then Twitter++ have a lot of features. As you can see, you can just log in. And then Instagram++, as you can see, so you can just either delete and install again, it's gonna work, or either they might have removed it. So yeah, again, you can either just try this one, Instagram Rocket, because Instagram Rocket got the same features as Instagram++. So guys, hopefully you like the video, and if it works for you, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. If any question, you can just comment below and I can help you out. Thank you so much.